Innovation Agency, a semi-autonomous government institution whose mandate is to develop and manage Kenya's national system of innovation. Among our key priorities, informed by our 10-year innovation master plan for the country, is addressing skills and competencies for innovation. We focus in developing and strengthening capacities of leaders, of innovators, of intermediaries, of support institutions, and so on and so forth. Now, we designed what we call an entrepreneur institutions leaders training program. So we thought about people who oversee institutions of higher learning, in this case vice chancellors and deputy vice chancellors, as well as directors and senior officers. And so we call it ELTP. Now, in the ELTP, we started off by strengthening the capacity of entrepreneur leaders, in this case the vice chancellors, and that was our first iteration. Now, during that period, we worked with the faculty vice chancellors for them to use what we call a maturity framework that looks at leadership, infrastructure, policy, partnerships, teaching and learning, exchange programs, funding, and so on and so forth, to develop an innovation master plan. This master plan is supposed to support the institution in directing their energy over the next 5 years along those issues. Now we're venturing into deputy vice chancellors. These vice chancellors, deputy vice chancellors, are responsible for research and innovation matters in their own institutions. Therefore, they are the custodians of the master plan. So we're taking them through what does it mean to be an entrepreneurial leader. And they are going to be the change agents and the catalysts supported by technical people right below them.
With this training of DVCs, I'm thinking that the university will continue improving in the maturity framework towards becoming a world-class university in entrepreneurship. One of the constructs we would like to improve on is infrastructure, but basically having like an innovation or incubation hub to support innovators as they move towards commercialization.
Currently, we at the university are working towards becoming an entrepreneurial university, and through this workshop, I'm hoping to gain 3 key insights. One will be to understand the pathways towards research and commercialization, and 2 is to be able to understand more about the IP and how we can protect innovations from either students and faculty. And 3 is to build a better network in terms of building an ecosystem and working with others so that we can gain and we can be able to achieve whatever that we are planning to do. In terms of the construct, first of all, what we want to achieve, we are hoping that in terms of leadership and governance, and particularly in funding, we are going to be working towards that. And secondly, it's a human capital, because we hope that with a strong human capital, then we'll be able to gain and to be able to support the students and the faculty to achieve better research and even to move towards commercialization of services and products.
In this program, I would wish to achieve direction and faster growth in terms of innovation for the university, commercial direction for the university, especially for staff who have been for a long time, have been doing teaching without a lot of engagement towards research and commercial programs. For the construct, I would wish to see the training of our staff, especially the new innovators. Innovation is driven by staff. Most of them are at a lower level that we need to upgrade their situation.
And we look forward to building capacities of these cohorts. We're running a cohort of 14 deputy vice chancellors now, and in the near future we also open another cohort of 11 vice chancellors, so that by the end of this year we'll have supported 25 vice chancellors of our institutions of higher learning in Kenya, and we look forward to a stronger pool of entrepreneurial leaders.